Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a membership renewal reminder system in Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first step is to create a new base in Airtable. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. Name it something like Membership Renewal. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space where you can manage your membership renewals separately from other activities. Next up, the second step is to create the following fields: member name, membership start date, membership end date, and renewal reminder. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of all the important details related to each member's subscription. Now that we've done that, we move to the third step, which is to set up the renewal reminder field. This is a formula field. Input the formula, date time diff, membership end date, today, days, equals 30. This will trigger a reminder 30 days before the membership end date. This step is crucial as it automates the process of sending out reminders, ensuring no member's renewal date slips through the cracks. The fourth step is to create a view that filters only the members who need to be reminded. Click on Grid View at the top left, then select Add a View. Name it Renewal Reminders. Under Filter Options, set it to Show Records where Renewal Reminder is checked. This helps us because it creates a specific view showing only the members due for renewal, making it easier to manage. Lastly, integrate Airtable with your email system using Airtable Automations. Click on Automations on the top right, then plus New Automation. Name it Send Renewal Reminder. The trigger should be when record matches conditions, and condition should be Renewal Reminder is checked. For the action, select Send Email, fill in the details as needed, and use the record fields to personalize the email. This is important as it automates the process of sending out the renewal emails, saving you time and effort. And that's it. You've just created your membership renewal reminder system in Airtable. This will help you keep track of your members, renewals, send reminders automatically, and ensure a smooth membership experience. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.